In the latest news, JBL has officially announced its brand new Boombox 4. This new outdoor Bluetooth speaker has been launched by the company in China. Compared to its predecessor, the new model is 12% lighter. It features an impressive 7-speaker system which includes two 5-inch woofers, 2.75-inch tweeters, and 3 passive radiators. This setup offers an incredible power output of up to 210 watts when plugged into a power source and 180 watts when operating solely on battery power. It includes a brand new algorithm known as AI Sound Boost, which dynamically adjusts the sound in real time. Additionally, it features a 2-level bass enhancement mode for richer sound. Regarding connectivity, it supports Bluetooth 5.4 with Auracast, allowing you to pair multiple speakers together and enjoy lossless audio playback through the USB-C port. The device has a 99 watt-hour battery, offering a battery life of up to 34 hours. Furthermore, it can also serve as a 30-watt power bank to charge other devices. It is also waterproof and dustproof with IP68 mortgage certification. As anticipated, the price of this JBL Boombox 4, which was announced for China, is 30,999 yuan. At the current exchange rate, this amounts to approximately $557, indicating that it will indeed be a rather expensive speaker. Recently, you requested me to review the previous version. Now that I have discovered this new version has just been released, I believe we should wait until it reaches Mexico to conduct a review and understand what it can truly offer us in practical use, because up to now, we have only known its specifications. But let me know if you would pay more than $500 for a portable speaker with these features.